Fits, AR-15 chambers in 223 Remington/5.56 NATO. This chamber brush is specifically designed to clean all of the nooks and crannies of an AR-15 chamber. Package of 3. Double diameter chamber cleaning brush for R style 5.56 mm/223 calories. Phosphor bronze brush features stout bristles for efficient cleaning. Stainless steel locking lug brush. Standard American 8-32 thread, 3-pack. Top reviews from the United States. Hoppe is the best when it comes to brushes. These are very well made and will last you quite a few cleanings, as long as you don't go digging for gold with them. Take it easy on them and they'll last you quite a long time. It's best to remove the upper from the lower when you're using these. There is no need to push them too far in when cleaning. You don't want a whole brush to disappear or you will ruin the brush. Great for getting the junk out of your chamber. Make sure you do a thorough inspection afterwards and there are no bristles left behind.